So in the last video we discussed about a series called as Gold in ICPC for India. But what is ICPC? ICPC means International Collegiate Programming Contest, which is an algorithmic programming contest for college students in which teams of 3 need to represent their universities collaboratively innovating new solutions for the given real world problems under some limit such as time limit, efficiency and other. So for what all we are doing this? Our main aim is this golden trophy which is given for the first rank holder in the ICPC competition. So to achieve this and complete our interesting journey, we need some roadmaps. So we will be discussing each checkpoint which we need to go through while completing our journey. So first of all, we would need to learn a programming language. Programming language is nothing but a way to communicate with the computers. As computer only know the binary language which is 0 and 1s, so we need to communicate with it with some simpler language which human can understand. So some people have created some languages which can be understood by the computers and is in human readable format. This make our life simple as we don't have to learn all the binary of the computer, and by just learning a programming language we can manipulate the computer by any ways. For example, the programming languages are JavaScript, Java, Ruby, Python, Swift, C, C++, etc. By this, we would be able to command the computer, but as in the real world, after learning a language, we need to learn its grammar. Similarly, after learning a programming language, we need to learn the data structures and algorithms. These are the building blocks of our programs, as these will decide how fast will our program run, how much memory will our program consume, and all other stuffs. By this time, we will become optimally efficient programmers. But along with this, simultaneously we need to practice questions to maintain our problem solving abilities, as these are the most important skills required in the competitions. These are some top resources where we can practice questions. The CodeChef and Codeforces are the advanced website, and other all are beginner friendly, so you can give a try for them. After all this, it's now time to gain more knowledge and vocabulary about the languages. So now you should start with the number theory, game theory, backtracking, recursion and all other topics which are included in the ICPC and competitive exams syllabus. While learning new topics, you should also try problems related to that topic, as it will make a clearer picture in your brain about that topic. After all this, you should keep practicing questions to brush up your concepts and keep learning new ideas, tips, tricks and shortcuts to keep yourself updated with these changing times. That's all for today. Start your coding journey today.